Among material handling equipment, none are as important as the forklift. They are found in most industries that require transferring loads from delivery trucks to warehouses and work sites. During this training, we'll take a look at the different types of forklifts and their anatomy. We'll also show you why it's important to conduct a thorough pre-shift inspection each day before putting it into service. We will look at forklift stability and the importance of knowing the machine's capacity. We will discuss safe operating and load handling principles. We will briefly cover refueling of combustible engine lifts and battery care of electric lifts. We will introduce the 6 most common hazards associated with forklift operation and show you how to recognize, avoid, or minimize them. When you complete this training, you should be familiar with the types of forklifts used by your company, have an increased knowledge of how to inspect them and safely operate them, and be able to recognize and avoid the most common hazards associated with their use. There are many different types of forklifts, but the main categories are rough terrain, sit-down counterbalance, stand-up, and industrial forklifts. Each of these can have numerous other attachments, helping them to accomplish many different tasks. Sit-down counterbalance forklifts have vertical masts and are by far the most common. These range from 3,000-pound capacity machines up to lifts that have capacities of over 75 tons. Stand-up forklifts also have vertical masts. They are usually found in warehouses and are especially effective in narrow aisles. Some models have a scissors-type reach, and others come with a picker's platform that allows the operator to be lifted up with the forks to reach products stored many racks high. Telescopic handlers have extendable booms that can allow an operator to reach out and place loads in areas inaccessible to mast-type forklifts. These are popular in the construction industry because of their versatility and the numerous attachments that they can be fitted with. Truck-mounted forklifts ride on the back of a flatbed truck or trailer for transport to the delivery site. They can be stowed and unstowed quickly and used to unload in areas where forklifts or cranes are not available to do it. There are also numerous attachments that can be added to most types of forklifts. Top handlers allow forklifts to pick up containers. Jibs allow them to hoist loads. Man baskets can be attached to elevate personnel. And some forklifts can be equipped with fork extensions.
Lifting attachments can introduce substantial changes to the stability of a forklift. The distance a load is suspended in front of the forklift's boom and any dynamic conditions result in a significant reduction to the capacity a forklift can safely lift. These